located in Linyi City. Our factory established in 2007 with an annual output of 20,000 tons. We are professional in the research, development, sale, and service of WPC products and other construction and decoration materials. Our experienced employees are committed to strict quality control and considerate customer service, and provide you with high-quality service at any time to meet your requirements. All orders will be sampled in the laboratory for quality testing before sending out. In addition, our products are sold in large quantity in China, as well as overseas countries and regions, as United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, Germany, Denmark, Mexico, Netherlands, United Arab Emirates. Our products: WPC decking, WPC DIY tiles, WPC wall cladding, WPC fence, wall panels. We also supply OEM and ODM products required. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, feel free to talk to our customer service team. Customized products are available based on detailed technical data from customer. 16 years production and exporting experience, making us more professional on the products and service. Trust and being trusted. Let us put hands together to build dream and make future better. Here, we sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company. Linyi Supereco Building and Decoration Materials.